you're lying. Don't you try it, no. You really shouldn't play with fire. Put it out with water. But now you're drowning. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you. But I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you. But I don't wanna be like you. Cause I could do better. I could do better. I could do better than that. And you should know better. You should know better. You should know better than that. You're telling me I should go places. You're telling me that I'm too lazy. You are the one that is going crazy. Yeah. Cause you can't even hold your own. But you always know what's wrong with everyone else. How is that? You gonna have to call your friends. Tell them that you're gonna be late. Cause I'ma need you to explain. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you. But I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you. But I don't wanna be like you. Cause I could do better. I could do better. I could do better than that. And you should know better. You should know better. You should know better than that. I don't need your help. I don't need your help. You should help yourself. So yeah. I don't need your help. I don't need your help. You should help yourself. There's been a whole lot of crying, whole lot of trying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you. I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you. I don't wanna be like you.
Finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. So the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Ashimary, or is it Ashimary? You guys know I don't never say it right. You guys see the title, okay? So shout out to you, boo, for sending me this unit. I truly do appreciate it. Now this is their pre-cut HD lace wig, and typically they do ask you to wear it glueless. I I was going to do it glueless, and but the lace wasn't blending with me the way I wanted it to, so I decided that I would add spray. But you can wear it glueless if you want to, okay? And I still technically am wearing it glueless. I just added a little adhesive, girl, okay? So don't judge me. And so on here is they did say that it is a fuller 3D, our new 3D body wave, full of volume. And I don't know if you guys noticed. If not, I'll insert a clip where you guys can kind of see, or just look at it here. Like, honey, she is giving all the volume, girl, okay? She is giving all the volume. And even if it wasn't curled, because you guys know I like to curl all my body wave units, even if it wasn't curled, I feel like you could get away with not curling it because the waves were waving, girl, okay? They were waving. But anyways, I don't feel like with this particular unit that it's a wig that you would have to constantly curl. You know what I'm saying? Like, I feel like the waves are gonna be waving. Like, if you do add some curls, like these curls, I am sure are gonna last. Like, and I didn't have to curl it all over. Like, I just curled in spots, and I think it's just because of the wave of this unit. But anyways, let me get into the details and specs. So it says, throw on and go, glueless copper brown, number 35, body wave 5x5 lace, 26-inch wig. And I'm gonna go ahead and go on the site so I can get more details and specs. It says throw on and go, glueless copper brown, number 35, body wave 4x4, 5x5 lace wig, beginner friendly. This unit does come with either the 4x4 pre-cut lace or the 5x5. I personally have the 5x5, but you can obviously get it in the 4x4 if you want it. It comes in the densities 180% and 250%. I am not sure what density they sent me. Oh girl, thick to me. I want to say it's 250. Y'all let me know down below what you guys think, but I really don't know. This unit comes in 12 to 34 inches, all being even numbers. And as I stated earlier, they did send me 26 inches. It says pre-cut. The features are pre-cut lace, pre-plucked hairline, pre-bleached knots, detachable elastic band, secure, no glue, no gel, no spray, easy to take off. So like I stated, you do not have to, you can wear this wig completely glueless, okay? You don't have to add any adhesive to it whatsoever if you don't want to. It is available in 12 to 34 inches, and it says it's transparent lace closure, colors copper brown, body wave hair. So those are all the details and specs on this unit. Now I do want to go ahead and mention this wig does not have any combs, not even it doesn't even have a comb in the back if I'm not mistaken. So there are no combs in this wig whatsoever, which is also one of the reasons why I prefer adhesive. If you know, you know. Like, I need, if I'm gonna wear a closure with no adhesive, I at least need 2 combs on the side. That's just me though. It did come pre-bleached. I did not have to bleach these knots whatsoever, girl. Like, what you saw is what you got, okay? Other than, you know, me adding the layers and a few curls, like, this unit was extremely beginner friendly. Now, it did come as a middle part, but it's a closure, it's a 5x5 closure. So I decided to do me a little C part over here because that's just kind of like the tip I'm on right now. Okay, that's just kind of where I'm at right now. So I did decide to do that. And yeah, I think that is pretty much it as far as details and specs go. It doesn't shed or tangle strata the packaging. It's not to say at some point old girl won't. Just a strata packaging old girl ain't. Okay. And as far as it being big head friendly, in my opinion, it is. It does have that elastic band. So I feel like even if you do have a smaller head, you can still make it work. But girl, I only got the head that's on my shoulders, and that's the average cap size. So go do whatever you want to do with that, okay? Do what you want to do with that. And that's pretty much it as far as details and specs go. If you're interested in my pros and cons, was a full 360, then please continue to watch. So we're gonna start with the cons because you guys know I like to end on a high note. So my con for this unit is gonna be that I don't have no combs, girl. You know I need my combs. I need my combs. So that's gonna be my con. Alright, so as far as the pros, I love this color. I think you guys know this is like one of my favorite fall colors to wear. So I really love the color. I love that as a closure because I live for a closure, girl. I live for a closure, and that it came pre-bleached and pre-tweezed, and all I had to do was slap old girl on my head. I love all of that for me, okay? It's the ultimate beginner friendly / lazy girl wig. Yes, those are my pros. Obviously I would recommend it. Did you hear my pros? Yes. Alright y'all, so I'm gonna give you guys a full 360 and lint check so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is on the left side. This is it in the back. This is where it comes to me. Keep in mind I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know down below what you guys think about this unit. Let me know if you are feeling it, if it's a look, it's a vibe. Sound off down below in the comments. Once again, shout out to you, Ashimary. I feel like I do ever say that right. But shout out to you, boo, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly, truly do appreciate it. If you guys are interested in purchasing this wig, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all. That's all. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions and you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Healthy Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
The looks you love completely. Got every styles and weekly. Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. Disastrous.